If I only had a brain.
Okay, what the hell was that? I'm seeing some crazy stuff in here, Sasha. This can't be right.
Ach, why did I buy the cheap brain tumbler?
Hey, no fair. I blasted you, Tank. Receive my psychic blasting, jerk. Rats! That tank is armored like a tank. It must have a weak spot somewhere. Probably not on the top, though. Probably hidden. The weak spot, I mean. Probably hidden on, like, the bottom. Man, I am so smart. Uh-oh.
What?
No, I'll figure it out.
Rasputin, tell me what is happening.
Well, I'm kind of stuck in a little white space.
How little?
Really little.
Do you feel trapped?
No.
Confined?
No.
Smothered like you're buried alive?
No! Ah! Get me out of here!
Can you find your way out?
I can't see anything.
Can you fight your way out?
Huh?
Strike out with your psychic fist, Rasputin, but carefully. Punch your way out, Rasputin. Now, hurry! This test is costing the taxpayers a lot of money.
Aha!
Keep punching, Rasputin.
Don't worry, Dogen. I'm coming up there to save you.
What is wrong, Rasputin?
No time to explain, Sasha. I gotta climb this spooky thorn tower. Ugh, there's no way to get any higher.
You must use your levitation power.
I don't know how to levitate. Hey, where'd it go? Don't tell me I imagined that whole thing. You are my own creation. I command you to stop. Dang. Does that ever work? Soft gelatinous underbelly? Here I come. Confusion. Grenade. So dizzy. Who am I? Target lock. Gotta hide behind something. Sasha?
What is it? Another bunny?
No, this is more of a super scary flaming-eyed demon kind of deal.
Oh.
What?
Okay, I'm pulling you out of there. Just give me a second.
Sasha?
Hold on, I'm still getting some unusual interference. It's fascinating, as if someone else were...
Agent 9?
Oh, sorry. Almost ready.
Sasha!
Why are you screaming? All right, I remember. Oh, good boy. There's that pesky brain. Here's a tissue. Now, don't you feel better, my dear lad?
TV?
Of course! Right here. And this bad tooth, we'll just drop it in the old garbage chute. Now, don't choose solid foods for 6 hours.
Lily! TV!
Little boy, I am sorry to say that you have a very serious mental problem. The trouble originates in this area. Here, the area that we in the medical profession like to refer to as the brain. You see, son, it's just no good. I hate to be so blunt, but you have the insanity of a manatee.
I know. People are always saying that. What do you think's wrong with my brain, Doctor?
Well, how should I know? I'm a dentist. But here's what I do know. If a tooth is bad, you pull it.
But my teeth are fine.
Yep, mad brain's got to come out, boy. It's the quickest way to cure what you've got. Insanity of the mind.
But I don't wanna.
Shush. Now hold still. This will only hurt until your brains come flying out.
Get back! Help!
Oh, please, be serious.
Help!
Is this a nightmare? Or a plan? Or both? Wait a minute!
Rasputin, I'm sorry. I had to abort the experiment. Something unbelievably urgent has come up and I must leave immediately.
I know! You'll never believe...
Hold that thought. In a rush. Official Psychonauts business.
Wait! So is this! Official Psychonaut. Hey, you forgot your...
Rasputin, can you hear me?
Sasha? Where am I?
You are inside your own mind, but I'm not sure where. Tell me, what can you see?
I see a rundown gypsy caravan.
Do you recognize it?
Yes. It's where I was born.
I see. Compelling.
Sasha, I'm going inside the caravan.
What do you see inside?
I'm not sure. It's getting fuzzy.
Rasputin, are you okay? What do you see now?
I see a small, bunny-like animal thing.
An unfamiliar animal entity in a dream often represents a primal fear or memory. Follow it, and it should lead you somewhere important.
Okay, Mr. Bun. You and I are gonna be tight. Wherever you go, I go. Like two peas in a... Hey! Come back here!
Don't let him get away.